Christmas to we, so very different you see. It's not about the snowman, mistletoe, or even a tree. It's just our special vibes are in enough love and smiles. Might not have everything together, but together we're all just fine. It's just a Merry Mitchell Christmas. It's that empty and kind of cheer. Spread the joy from near and far. When you like, subscribe and share. It's just a Merry Mitchell Christmas. 'Tis a season to be near. So grab a seat and come back, we have a time. A Merry Mitchell Christmas and a Happy
Good morning, MTM, and Merry Christmas! Good morning, Ozzy.
Good morning.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And to you too. Good morning, Jackson.
Good morning.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Good morning, Alice.
Good morning.
And
Merry Christmas.
good morning, Momo and IBB.
Good morning, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
IMTM, good morning, wish you all the best.
Momo, imagine last year this girl was in my belly.
Yes.
And now here you are for your first Christmas. I like these PJs. Wayne is getting up now. Him not feel so hot, man, tell you the truth. But we just are gonna make it work. We just are gonna make it work. Coffee, then some presents and some breakfast, and all will do well.
Merry Christmas, guys. I'm up. The kids are ready to open their presents. Their excitement. I hope you guys are doing good wherever you are. Whenever you are watching this, probably Boxing Day or beyond. But yes, it's Christmas morning in the Mitchell household. It's beer excitement. Part in the action too.
Can I do it?
Put them on the table.
It was in there, I knew it. Well, we're going to talk to her 6 weeks before I do this.
Why don't open the rest of your presents first? Momo in a dress. Murder. Christmas morning. Turn up.
Chess! Harry Potter chess! No, I swear I'm not going to play anything else.
What do you think?
I love it! I'm putting this in my bag. But I go back to school, I get suspended.
It's a Jamaican Christmas, so you know I'm on a hot chocolate or ginger tea, you see me? That's my favorite.
Show Momo.
Momo said I need one. No, you did. You know you were. No. You know your son need a phone.
But listen, this has very serious rules around it.
I know. I won't get to every single game in the world.
Not only that, it's for this to call us and WhatsApp us
And
when you need us. Especially when you're actually away from us.
Because I always need the earphone. And thank you, Daddy. But I always need the earphone to call Mommy or Daddy or do anything. Yeah.
More presents. You need a phone for your
Yes. Atlas, I got a phone.
You see me? I put the iPhone right now.
Tami, what we gonna do?
Alright, let's turn it off now because Ivy has to nap.
Mom,
Ivy, how's your first Christmas going?
good.
Ivy first Christmas.
Come, you ready for a nap though? Time to go take a little nap.
No.
So far, so good.
You're the good guy.
Daddy, Marshall.
You know we're the adults, so we don't open the present for each other, don't you?
Right?
This is the joy though.
You got the drill.
I get my excitement when I see the kids and I'm excited.
And more too.
Help me. Help me. Help me, bro. Help me. Help me, guys. Guys. That's not Marshall.
What you want? Friday?
Christmas morning breakfast are going bad.
Morning.
French
On the
toast
morning.
and bacon and eggs and one month or something. Real tradition this, you know.
It
She
is.
always got hard in breakfast Christmas morning.
Like now I'm in the kitchen, I won't be out. That's just how it is.
Guys, Jackson don't even put on him phone. The phone don't even have a SIM card yet. And Jackson can't even put it down. Listen, we set up ourselves, people. Cause that boy is gonna call us for everything.
All the time.
A regular, him go to Momo and say, yeah, Momo said 24/7, him come and ask me for my phone. Imagine when him have him phone and it up and running, the man I got call with for every little thing. Mommy, Daddy, Atlas this, Atlas that. Ozzy this, Ozzy that. So we really had to think about giving him a phone or not, but we found ourselves in a lot of situations where we wanted to get to him and check in on him or whatever, and we couldn't. So we just decided, you know what? But what we have to do now is control the apps and the game and the something panic, because you know, them like to abuse the fact that them have a new device and it is able to download all these apps and
about all of these phones is you can put so many parental controls.
the Seraphim.
Yes, crazy.
One piece of parental control on that. Are the baby that?
I can see everything, yeah.
Jeez,
She needs to go back to sleep. She knows
I have to
something
be her
coming.
wake up. But guess what? The excitement out the road, you know. Excitement outside.
But she has a long day ahead of her.
She did get a little sleep though.
No problem.
So me there now, I say, yo, make me see, cause every single year from my band, it is one Christmas tradition. One of the oldest Christmas tradition and memory for me is a Jesus of Nazareth birth story on TV, local TV. If you know, see one of them movie there where with Mary and the crucifixion and all kind of something. Is it even Christmas? People, this take me right back to when me a little picnic. So I me there watch.
It's one egg a year Momo eats, you know. And every here to this morning, I have one sunny side. So you know, so I pressure a while ago when I break the yolk, right? I mean when I crack the egg.
Money side, man.
Oi! Wow. How that move?
Here's when I eat my egg.
Good? But have a nice with it. The cooking has begun. Alright, go on through. What time? Show the mic, no, sing a song.
Hello.
Sing it though. Sing, you don't wanna. Go on. I'm getting shy. Yes, we're making the rounds. Alright, okay, turn it down a little. We're gonna go now, but we love you. And enjoy the rest of the day.
Enjoy Christmas.
And we'll talk later. What time you finish up? Alright, well call us. Say bye to Gio. Say love you, Gio.
Love you, dear.
Atlas! Stop!
Really want.
Jiggy. Miss him. So weird him not being here for Christmas.
Mom, wait, today's birthday.
It is. Alright, let's call Alex now.
Oh my.
She have on a little Santa dress that Auntie Smith and Uncle John gave her, so I just put it on. She has a few outfit changes for today.
I want Jackson's no phone.
You can't have Jackson's phone, it's not a toy.
I want Jackson's.
Him is very vexed. Alright, Alex next, let's go.
I got a new phone for Christmas. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. You know, got that phone, bro. No!
Alex, Merry Christmas, call me back when you can. I was trying to video call you. Careful! Oh.
And also, Alex, I broke a bone in my wrist, so yeah.
Okay.
That happened as well.
Call us back when you get this. Okay, love you. Merry Christmas.
Love you, Alex.
Oh God, did you see that picture I just sent of Evelyn? In the Christmas chat? No, you have to see that picture. It is so sweet and dead. What are they eating? Tell me everything. Are you eating food?
Rice and onion, mac and cheese, roast potatoes, pigs and blankets. Too much.
Anna, too much.
It's a Christmas colic.
Wait. Wayne says Christmas colic. Oh, you guys all look beautiful. I miss you. Anyway, Wayne and I just decided we're having a Christmas in Surrey next year. So whether it's England or Colorado, we're going away. We have to go. Yeah, I said we go to Colorado next year. Yeah.
MTM will come check Grandma. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you
Best
guys.
grandma in the world.
Best grandma in the world.
He's getting his thing now.
Okay.
His gift now. The others got theirs already.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Nice.
So this Christmas we get a phone and a game on the PS5.
Where you find snacks in Grandma's house?
And look at the snack too.
I mean, I've been here for like 12 weeks straight. I know everything.
Where everything is kept,
Yeah.
right? That?
We used to sleep over there. I always used to go upstairs and brush my teeth with you. One night I even slept with you.
Yes, of course.
Mommy slept in the room beside us.
Priceless memories.
Indeed.
You see how them little
And I love to
Once
gargle.
3 months.
I love to gargle the mouthwash up there. I was always like,
The things that he remembers
I know.
have been something to him.
And you will never forget them
I
either.
won't.
Oh my God.
Anyway, send Merry Christmas to the MTM family.
Merry Christmas to all the MTMers.
Yeah.
I love to meet you. Sometimes I meet you in the pharmacy, in the supermarket, wherever.
Yeah.
And it's always a joy to meet the MTM family members.
Yeah.
So, have a wonderful Christmas and all the very best for the new year that will dawn very soon. Okay?
Yeah.
All MTM.
Santa sexy elf.
No. Cooking.
What's cooking?
Hams are cooking. Now I'm doing over tomato salad. Gungo peas are on. Come look. Hold on. I am not a fan of gungo peas, rice and peas, but everybody else is, so we're doing that. Over here we have some roti and we have some, come and look at this now, come and look close. Well, it not heat up, so maybe you don't want to see it. So let me just hide this. It's actually curry goat, Wayne's favorite curry goat from Auntie Sonia's. I smartened up this year, and instead of trying to make it, which I could never, we ordered it. And we have so much desserts, and I don't really have that much to do, so I'm just doing my salad, doing my hams, doing our rice, a corn pie, and that is it. And now I'm making a tomato salad and a regular salad.
Nice.
You remember the tomato salad with the balsamic vinegar and the honey and stuff?
Yeah.
Long time we don't have that though.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so the hams are done, and I'm actually going to finish up the glaze for it right now and just glaze it one last time. Grandma is outside with Wayne setting up. And okay. Alright then, things going on out here. But yes, lots going on. The kids are playing, doing their little things, and yeah, we're just going for it.
Look and put us.
Wait, you have on shoes?
No, it's alright. Wow.
Never go up barefoot because they have our shoes.
You look beautiful.
No, I didn't. I promise.
Oh, honey. You look beautiful. I'm wearing little shoes for little, okay? Yeah, just for little. Mo, you want something?
Okay, you try.
Well, festive though. I love your dress.
Thanks. The one I was going to wear, guys. I look like one stuffed animal.
This look better
No,
than
I real
that.
something.
This
Anyway,
look better than
it's
that.
fine. I have my drink. You want some drink, you guys? I'm having Prosecco and a little passion fruit gin. And what's great about today, I'll tell you a story, guys. This is how the vlogging is so good. I watched last year's vlog and I was so tired, and I looked at you, Wayne, and I said, Wayne, next year we're catering. And I think I may have told you off of the vlog, we need to get some support. And so this year we have somebody who's actually helping us out.
But you never cater, you cook.
No, but we
Tirelessly
can't. No,
today.
but I got the curry gold from Auntie Sonia. I
One
bought
little something.
just a ham and there's something cooked, nothing big, but all the desserts. But a wonderful lady here, West End, is helping us out today, and it has made all the difference already.
Good,
So
I'm so happy. So you can
I'm so
relax
happy.
little.
And Momo can relax because the two of us can just,
Yeah.
watch out. What the ham taste?
He's so ready for eat.
Juicy, not dry, it's juicy.
We just tasted the ham. It really tastes good for you. Where you want drink though?
You want what drink?
Mm-hmm.
We're ready for drink later on. We're ready for drink later on.
Alright,
You
question.
never she's a while ago.
Who more festive? Tami, let me give the full rating there. Who most festive in the Mitchell house now? Let me see her. Come there. She festive. She are going good. She are going
She
good.
decided to change last
She
year.
are going
Show
good.
way now.
But catch this. No,
Gotcha.
you need to have on the Santa attic.
It's you!
Oh, catch it!
You!
Like I mean,
You win,
God,
man.
what it, you know?
You win. The one
Most
day
festive.
this is the only day for this year you can wear this shirt.
What's your shirt?
I love it.
What's your shirt?
I love it.
Catch my shirt.
I love it.
Thanks, wifey. My guy. How you stay? You're waiting for all the guests to come by. You're gonna greet them. You're the host. What you gonna say when them come? What? Okay. Huh? Okay, I'm coming for it. Grandma is here. Grandma help us to set up, Yeah. Leopard print and their things. Catch the details. It's all in the details. Leopard print on the necklace. A little snake on the bag. A lot of little touch of leopard there. Oh my God.
Oh, what are you doing with this,
Catch the
Wayne?
earring there.
What are you doing with this?
Welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Happy to be here to share dinner with you guys.
We're happy to have you.
Yes.
Jackson, come, cause you take Christmas literal. Watch her. What are those? You think it's Jesus' birthday? You have to come with the Jesus sandals. Bump to please and change them.
Bro, no.
Please and change them.
I'm representing Jesus here. Excuse me. I'm
You
wearing
take this thing
Jesus
too
sandals.
literal, bro.
Wait, but you know better, Wayne.
No, not the toes. Don't show the toe.
Show the toe.
And I was fine if it was a boy, but I had a feeling that she was a girl, but I couldn't let myself truly believe it. And I remember lying down. Yes, and when we found out, I remember lying down on this couch with Wayne, and we looked at each other and we said this: what is life? What is life?
True story.
Because we just didn't know how to process that, and I still can't process it.
Isn't that weird?
But she's been here pretty long.
I know, but I still can't believe it. Hi, mommy.
It's real.
Okay. We walk.
Bye-bye. Sick for long periods, so she want to walk around the moon.
Love you.
Look who just arrived.
We're twins.
Chin twin, man.
My other dress couldn't fit. And I'm gonna tell you something else. This is actually Tessa's dress from years back.
Years yonder.
And I'm like, no.
That can't fit at a batty
Oh,
cheek
Tessa,
right
last
now.
time I wore this dress, I was pregnant. So you must know.
No,
With,
watch it. Twinny.
Let me see what I
I
can.
love it.
Okay.
Tessie, you look like something straight out of Memoirs of a Geisha.
Memoirs of a pregeisha. A pregeisha. Oh God. Merry Christmas, bro.
Merry Christmas, Tess. Zaibu. Yay!
Blow kiss to the MTM family.
Blow kiss. Yay!
Wait, to the music!
No, it's a karaoke machine as well.
Oh!
Karaoke with how many? It come with a mic
Oh,
and it's a Bluetooth speaker.
Oh, thank you, Auntie Tessie.
So you can practice.
That's awesome.
Oh my God, we need a speaker.
Thanks, guys.
You can fix the
No way!
reverb and everything.
Granted, Tessie. Come to the mic.
That's for Ivy.
So what it is, I know what it is! It's Ivy!
So Ivy can join the wall now.
She's a centigrade!
No, this is nice.
We have to rearrange everything!
But wait, Mom and Dad.
Oh! What? That made me
Wow.
cry!
Open it and I saw it. I was like, oh, she's
Oh,
beautiful.
Tessie, thank you so much. Watch out.
I have goosebumps!
It's complete.
Did you measure it?
No, I told Jonah to do it.
Oh, man.
To fit this.
Love it!
It's supposed to fit all together, but I don't know if it will.
Yeah, no, it will work.
Rework it! Rework it!
Oh, man. Don't move, don't move, don't move,
Don't move, that's okay.
Don't move.